guys, and welcome to today's video. Well, today we are going to do something fun. We are going to attack some B roads in a place not that far away from me, but it's like an hour drive, and we are going with a friend, and yeah, we are going to drive on some B roads because it's dry, it's 8 degrees, so it's pretty decent outside, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. So yeah, and I also actually took out my previous phone, my Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, because I got that phone before I started vlogging, and I always said that that phone had a way better camera as my current phone, my OnePlus 5T. And I actually found out that the selfie camera is wide angle, so it has a much nicer image as the OnePlus. So I'm thinking of keeping this phone for vlogging, so I actually don't use all the memory from my current phone, because even I have 128 gigabytes, but still my memory says full weekly. So yeah, we are gonna meet up with my friend who also has one series like me, F20, but he has a 116D. We raced him already a couple of times. The sun is very hard. We raced him already a couple of times, but now we're just gonna do some back road, fun driving, and yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so we met up. I forgot actually to film. But we met up with two 16Ds stage 1 and also a Seat, how is it called again? Ibiza? I don't know, but it's an FR, but it's stage 2, 220 horsepower, and it weighs 200 kilograms less as my car. So probably he will be the fastest of the bunch, but I'm pretty sure that on a lounge I will still beat him. But when we do a rolling race on the highway, I am screwed. Because only 5 horsepower down, he has 130 newton meters torque more as me, he weighs 200 kilograms less as me, and a front wheel driven car just loses way less, way less horsepower on the wheels as a rear wheel driven car or a 4-wheel driven car. I really need to get myself another Mavic, because vlogging, filming and driving, changing gears, it's pretty hard. Anyway, so we're gonna get a refuel first, because my gas is almost empty as always on the BMW. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. And this is where it all went to shit for me. So, the day ended a little bit differently as I wanted. So as you saw, we were making some cool drone shots, and everything was going fine. And after the shots, we were going to attack some B roads and do some little pulls next to each other on the highway. But unfortunately, it went a little bit differently. So basically, I was flying my DJI Mavic Mini, that I recently got for 500 euros, like 2 weeks ago, not even that long. And what happened is, well, I was flying after the first shot, and I was actually demonstrating the drone to my friends. And I was flying a little bit up higher, just to let them see, like, the drone can do it and stuff like that. But what happened was an epic failure. Something went wrong with the drone. I don't know what happened, but I lost connection with it when I shouldn't be losing connection, and it failed to return to its landing point, and I just completely lost it. So went somewhere in the woods out in Belgium, where I live, but it was somewhere. It can be at a 3-kilometer long place, somewhere in a forest, so the drone is lost. I tried to search it, But you know, that was actually it. So instead of, you know, making epic drone shots, attacking some B roads and doing some races, I spent the whole day looking for my drone, which ended up being a big waste of time. And yeah, so I lost my drone. I still have all the rest. I have my controller, my batteries, well, 2 out of 3. um, Everything else I still got, but the drone is gone, which really sucks. You know, I sent a message to DJI, they already responded, and they are going to, you know, look after it, what went wrong. But yeah, I was planning on making some epic cool drone shots for the channel, but that's going to be, I'm still, you know, even if I don't get a new one from DJI, I will probably get a new drone anyway, but you know, not immediately, so maybe for next season. But yeah, it sucks, it really does suck. So yeah, I was planning on making a very cool video with some cool shots, races, B-road attacks, but it all went a little bit differently. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video anyway. It didn't go as I planned. It was a little disaster. It was, you know, really crap. You know, at least I didn't crash my car. Could be worse. But anyway, guys, I hope to see you next time. Bye.